PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday morning, the 14th day of May. Things relatively quiet this morning, but moist air stays in place, and don't be shocked if we see some showers and storms bubbling up later today during the daytime heating process. Here's some Skycam shots early this morning. There's a look at the Tennessee River as seen from the Skycam up in Decatur and Morgan County. In the Birmingham Metro, that's a look at the Inverness Skycam from the top of the Wingate Inn. Down below, that's Petrocelli's, and looking back over toward U.S. Highway 280. And from downtown Birmingham, looking north from the top of the Daniel Building. Here's a look at the morning water vapor satellite loop, big thunderstorm complex all the way from the Red River up to the Great Lakes in advance of that strong shortwave up there. And we've got severe thunderstorm watch boxes that cover a large chunk of that line. And you can see the line approaching Memphis. And we'll have to watch any potential outflow boundaries from that later today. But more than likely, that big band will be slowing down and dissipating in the next couple of hours. Here's a look at some of the storm reports from last night with that band. 23 tornadoes, 101 reports of high winds, and over 100 reports of large hail as well. And, of course, the most significant tornado apparently up in Kirksville, Missouri, up in the northeastern part of that state, where at least one fatality was reported. Now, today, the severe weather risk is limited, at least on an organized basis, to parts of southwest Texas. Tomorrow, a slight risk of severe weather from the Texas Panhandle to near Chicago and Indianapolis. And on day 3, Saturday, a couple of small slight risk areas, one up to the northeast, one over parts of West Texas. And again, organized severe weather not likely here for the next 5 days, but wet, yeah, it's going to get wet at times. This is the expected rain through Monday evening, suggesting 1 to 2 inches here with the heavier totals up north. We'll look at the old GFS, valid at 1 o'clock today. This is the OZ run, the shortwave that brought the severe weather to the Midwest yesterday, rotating up into Canada. The westerlies are up north. We've got light and variable winds aloft here, and down below, moist air. And you figure with the daytime heat, we will see scattered showers and storms later today. Otherwise, a mix of sun and clouds with mid-80s likely today. Pretty warm. Tomorrow, a very soupy air mass all across the southeast United States. Scattered showers and storms with some sun at times. Saturday, the deep moisture stays in place. We should see scattered to numerous showers and storms. And Sunday, pretty good-looking trough developing up north. That's going to drive a cold front down this way. And we figure that will be another wet day. Periods of rain, maybe a few strong storms. Severe weather not looking especially likely with limited instability, but we'll have to watch out for potential for heavy rain at times over the weekend. Not exactly what you want with a big Regents Charity Golf Classic this weekend. So take the rain gear. Monday of next week, the surface front moves on to the east. We think that we will begin to see drier air for North Alabama on Monday with a clearing sky. And then Tuesday looks pretty good with a sunny day, lower humidity, cooler nights. But mischief down to the south. And look at Wednesday. A broad surface low in the Gulf begins to wrap moisture back in here from the east, a fetch coming in from the Atlantic. So if this is right, we might have to include a chance of rain Wednesday of next week. For now, we won't change anything. We've got it dry Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but this is in conflict with that. And then Thursday, we're back in the moist air. And a peek at the end of the forecast on May the 29th. Interesting trough out west. Around here, the air stays kind of humid, but, you know, that's a fairly common thing for this time of the year. And that, of course, would suggest a chance of showers and storms out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.